a lot of content gets posted on Facebook every single day. So for example, if you liked a post at one point and then you try to find it again, it's probably already gone in the ether by that point. So what exactly can you do? Well, you can actually look up all the things you liked, loved, cried, hated, all the other various reactions you have on Facebook now. There is actually a way to track everything you've reacted to before. Starting off with the mobile version, and it is pretty much the same for both Android and iOS. Click on your profile, then go onto the settings tab over here. Then scroll all the way down until you get to this part here, your activity. Then click on activity log, and this is where you can go through and see everything you've pretty much ever done on Facebook. Now the setting we're interested in today is up here where it says your Facebook activity. Here you can see your comments and reactions, so click on that. And there we go, all the stuff you ever reacted to is just here, so you can go through it and find whatever you may have lost. So that part is fairly simple. Now what about on the desktop instead? Click on your profile in the top right here, and then go into settings and privacy, and then over to this option right here, that being activity log. Click on that and you'll be taken to this menu right here, where similar to the app version, you can see pretty much everything you've done on Facebook, giving you a great rundown of stuff you may have, for example, forgotten or lost. Then go over to your Facebook activity, and then comments and reaction is the very first thing that shows up. And just like that, you get the list of everything you liked, loved, or reacted to in any other way, positive and negative, on Facebook. So if this was helpful, make sure to subscribe to Healthcare Authority for more videos like this one.